Okay, I bought these beads a while back at Fire Mountain years ago, and I'm going to make them into a bracelet. Get more out here, but I'm not going to use these colorful ones. I just want to use the solid green. So, well, I might wind up using some of them. I've got another container of them. Okay. And I'll use these for something else, hopefully. I've got 2 containers of them, so if these don't work out, I'll get some more out. But it's army stone. I've never heard of it before. I guess that would make sense. It looks like something that you would see on a uniform or something. So I'm going to make a simple little bracelet out of these. And let's get started. Hope y'all are having a good day. I'm going to go around this, and make it look like that. Now, if all my wire would have been like that, I'd be a happy camper. So we're just going to go through our bead. And I had thought about putting some crystals on, but I'm not going to on this one. It's already a big bead. Might go back and put some dangling ones on it. I don't know. If I had some copper head pins, I would. Alright, pull it tight and lay your next round next to the next, last one. Well, I think I need to clip it again. Now, let's clip it a little bit. make it go that way and go around. Put it over. Wrap it around. And if you have to, push it up a little bit to tighten it up. Just realized what I did. Oh well, we can work from this. I'll keep doing that. At least once every other video. What we were going to do is hook it to that, but I forgot, or I wasn't thinking. It's more like it. So we'll connect it to that one now. Go up, allow a little bit for your wrap. Let's make sure that is good down here first, because bend it over, go across. Go through. Okay, now let's get another one started. I hope y'all can't hear my husband and son talking in the background. This is how I was going to hook it. After I show you this right here, I'm going to fast forward. I'm going to go on and make the rest of it, because that's just repetitive and there's no point. we're going to do this. Alright, I'm going to leave y'all there, and I'm going to work on the rest of these. Cut me some more wire, and then I'll be back and we'll make a clasp. Okay, I got that made. We are going to, got it finished. Now let's put a hook on. We'll make a clasp. We'll put a jump ring on. Eventually I'm going to run out of these. And I'll have to make more. I don't have a saw. Just scoot it together like that. You always twist them. You don't pull them apart. I'll probably say that on every video. Alright. This is 3 inches of 18 gauge wire. And this was 20 gauge. But to me, it seems like the clasp needs to be a little bit stiffer. Well, I'm not cutting it. Alright, you take it. You try to get it started and then take the tips and roll it around. And then go to the other side. Get it started. It'll look like that. Now, take your paintbrush. Probably need a bigger one, but we're going to work with this one. And we're going to go around it. Then take the other side. Go around it. Let's straighten a little bit out, and then we'll go around it again. That's just to get the shape. Now, I did it again. I was in Oh boy. That's why I'm going to run out of jump rings. Because I was going to go through the end of that and I didn't. You just twist it open. These are soft enough you can do it with your fingers. But let's see, where did I lay my pliers? Bring them back together, and then you're going to have to wiggle it a little bit. Oops. There is our Army Stone bracelet. Y'all, thanks for watching. And y'all take care out there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.